Are you seeing that the distress we've seen in selling, maybe it be forced selling or not, that's gone into the public markets, has that come to a crescendo, do you think, yet? Have we hit some sort of bottom, or is there further to shoot a drop?
No, no, I think there's more to drop. I mean, I think part of it is, people are trying to figure out what the Fed's going to do and how high inflation gets. So, whereas I would have told you a week ago, everybody assumed the Fed was going to raise rates at the max 50 bips. Now the market's telling you that the Fed needs to raise it by 75 bips. So I think you're going to have more selling. You're going to have more pain. It's going to continue. It'll continue between now and the end of the year. And I think part of it is you've got to sort of start getting involved in the market, buy things that you're comfortable with. Doesn't mean it's not going to get cheaper. But I don't think you can ever time a bottom, so you want to get invested if you can.
And if you're not thinking about just timing, Mark, what about the actual levels here? What is the low when you think about the S&P, and how wide do spreads get, especially in the high yield market?
Oh, I think the market could go down a little bit more, whether it's an extra 5 or 10%. But you're getting there. A lot of it is getting priced in. So I think the summer is usually just very slow. And then you'll have the next Fed meeting. I think after that, that's when you'll get close to the low. Everybody knows we're either getting into a recession or it's going to be close to a recession. So I don't think there's a lot more negative news that's going to come out. The question really is going to be, how long is the recession? Is it 3 months? Is it 6 months? Is it a year? I think ultimately it's going to be pretty short because the economy is doing okay. It's just rates are making things more expensive. Like, just think of your home.
Right.
The average home is $300,000. That's the mortgage. I mean, everybody's interest cost has gone up because of this, anywhere between 50 to 100%. That's going to have a bigger impact on people than sort of inflation.